All right, it's time for another end of the report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. And you're running out of time if you have not taken advantage of the new special we have at PulseWaveTrading.com. Save a lot of money off of your subscription to the daily PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. Just go to PulseWaveTrading.com and you can type in the discount coupon code and get yourself a discount. But that is going away, I believe. Is it either today or Friday? Oh, I know it's about to expire. So take advantage while you still can. All right, let's make this quick. Markets are really not doing anything. They've been extremely quiet. So here's what we are seeing right now. Taking a look here at Facebook. You can see it's been just chugging along. It corrects to the trend line support, and then takes off, corrects, takes off. We just corrected here, took off again. Now we corrected again, and it looks like the market's trying to poise itself to take off one more time. So we have a rally alert buy signal for tomorrow's trading. Um, Markets just keep going, man. There's so much liquidity being pumped into the system, along with promised continuous liquidity. So it looks like Facebook wants to run. You're in the green zone. All right, you're bullish, and it's just a weird one. You still got that. You still got some selling in here, but we'll see how it goes. This has been a wash, rinse, and repeat. You come here, you get this, and then you get the bounce. So we'll see what happens. Also, here is a look at the bonds. This is ticker TLT, the long bond ETF, and this is an interesting one. We had the initial crash alert sell signal. We got that immediate downside production. Then the market just came roaring back, but the bears have muted this rally. If you can see here, you basically have retraced back to the 50% retracement of this initial bar. And then the market has just sat there. So the argument can be made that this technical bounce here was way overdone because you had the initial gap and then you filled it on the next day. Then the market kept going here and gathering some momentum. You're in a green bullish zone. And so the question is, are the bears about to lose control, or is this little technical bounce rally about to be sold off? That is the question. So bonds are at a crossroads. All right, as these bond prices keep going up, yields are going to be under pressure to fall. Looks like the Fed is being successful in keeping those rates near zero. All right, here's a look at what's happening with gold. So again, some more trickiness in these markets. Crash alert sell signal, initial downside production. Then you have this pop today, only for the market to fall back down and crash into the close, creating a nice bullish pointer. Looking like this could be a sideways market for two reasons. You're smack dab in the middle of the Kumo cloud, for one, and you created a trading range bar when you made this one right here. Classic trading range bar. So I'm expecting that prices will just stay inside the Kumo cloud, stay inside of this bar for the foreseeable future, even though we're in the green bullish zone, even though prices are technically right at or on the trend line support. It's just what we're seeing here. All right, so we'll see where we can go from here, but it seems like there's not too much pressure being put on the precious metals. I would think that it will be a little bit more pressure than what we are seeing, but I guess not really, because then you take a look at silver. All right, silver had a nice little rally, but today you had the same thing. You had a bullish pointer, market spiked up toward the overhead trend line resistance, only to crash into the close and produce a crash alert sell signal for tonight into tomorrow's trading. So it looks like some more downside is coming in the metals because of all the money printing. And then take a look at what the US dollar is doing. All right, so you had this crash alert sell signal, all this downside production, market just bouncing along off the trend line support, and then a rally into the close. So yeah, you can thank the Fed for all the money printing that is happening. It's causing the markets to be somewhat problematic at the moment. And then if you want further confusion, look at the euro yen. All right, the bulls are barely holding on. And the euro yen usually can lead the U.S. equity market. And right now, they're saying that U.S. equity market has a long way to go. But the NASDAQ is not showing any sign of relenting. I showed you Facebook earlier. Here's the NASDAQ 100. See what I'm saying? So it's in the green zone, and every pullback is being bid and defended by the bulls. All right. Even at the Bitcoin futures, look at the Bitcoin futures. So now we have a rally alert buy signal for tonight into tomorrow's trading. You're in the range bound category because you're in the Kumo cloud, and I think the market's ready to start testing the ranges. So it's probably gonna come up here and try to test 45,000, the upper end of the Kumo cloud, and then come back down here and test the bottom part of the Kumo cloud, which is going to put you around 33,000. So you have a basically a 10,000 point trading range established now in the Bitcoin. All right, so that's pretty much what I just wanted to show you guys. There's not a lot going on. Just wanted to show you an overall view of where we sit right now, as we're, the summer is winding down. It's the final trading month of the summer, August, which is usually when things are put into motion. So we will see, ladies and gentlemen, and don't forget, take advantage of that promo code before it goes away at PulseWaveTrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.